Let's show care by making a chenille or pipe cleaner flower. You will need these materials. Let's start with the flower petals. You will need 3 long pieces for the petals, as well as 1 dark green piece that will be the stem. First, hold the 3 long pieces together and find the middle point. Then, pinch the middle point with one hand. Take the dark green stem and bend and wrap it around the middle. Twist 2 to 5 times to fasten. Next, slowly fan out the pieces so that they form a 6-sided star shape like this. We will make the first petal by gently bending one of the pieces over into the middle. Twist 1 to 2 times to secure. Then grab the remaining part of the piece and bend it back over the loop. Press, fold, and wrap around the loop. Adjust the pieces so that they line up next to each other as shown here. Flip over, then carefully twist 1 to 2 times to secure. You have just made your first petal. Next, rotate and repeat with the same steps for the other pieces until all petals have been made. You should have 6 petals in total. Adjust the petals as needed. You can make the petals bigger by making sure that the pieces line up with one another. You can also gently pinch the tips of the petals. Next, we'll make the flower head that will go into the center of the flower. Using one of the colored pieces, find the tip and twist it downwards in a spiral shape. Flip over and gently tuck the end of the piece by bending it towards the middle. Then, grab the other colored piece and bend the tip downwards to make a small circle. Grab the flower head you had made earlier and gently push the coloured piece down the middle. Once your flower head is ready, you can gently push it down the middle of the petals. Flip over and twist the remaining part of the coloured piece around the base of the flower to secure it. Let's make some leaves for our flower. To make a small leaf, take the short green piece, make a loop and twist. Gently squeeze the two parts of the loop together. Repeat with the other short green piece to make another small leaf. Now, let's make a large leaf. You will need the two medium length green pieces. Fold the two pieces in half. Then gently open them into an inverted V shape like this. Flip the other piece around and loop it as shown here. Then, fold downwards and adjust so that the pieces line up with one another horizontally. Hold the tip of the leaf with one hand. With your other hand, grab the outermost piece and bend it into a zigzag shape like this. Take the piece that is right next to it and gently loop one time around the zigzag. Repeat again on the other side. Pinch and twist the ends together. Adjust and pinch the leaf as needed. And now we have our large leaf, and we are ready to assemble our flower. Let's put our flower together. You can position the leaves on any part of the flower stem as you like. Here, I have put the large leaf near the base of the flower and have twisted it to secure it to the flower stem. You can decide where you would want to place the other small leaves. Simply twist the ends of the small leaves onto the main stem to secure it. This is your flower, so you can place the leaves any way you like. And now you have a chenille flower. Take some time to appreciate what you have just made from simple chenille or pipe cleaners.